Hi, Audrey Greenwood, Flagship International, and I'm here in beautiful Sydney today on board the immaculate 2018 model Sunseeker Manhattan 66 Mahalo. Mahalo's just new to the market and never been there before as a one owner, and for that reason we'll all be very unfamiliar with the layout, so why don't we go and take a look. Here we are on the aft deck of Mahalo. You see that it's got the big dining area, you've got the leaf tables, so it opens up into a really nice space. And this is where I wanted to show you the difference. This is the model that Sunseeker reintroduced the aft galley to. So in the 66, the galley was moved aft with these big stack of doors, creating an enormous social flow. Here we are in the aft galley area. As I said, we've got that seamless flow through those stack of doors out to the rear deck there. But you've got that central sort of flow going forward too. So you're servicing that saloon and your interior dining area. The galley's fully equipped. We've got the big fridge, freezer. We've got the induction cooking. Over there, you've got a beautiful servery with the marble top. You've got some more refrigeration. And of course, you'll notice that I've really got I'm surrounded by these big panoramic windows on both sides, and that's really allowing that outside environment in, and a lot of light and a lot of air, and it makes the boat feel quite big and spacious, and it is anyway, but like it just enhanced it. And then notice the finishes. We've got those beautiful modern timbers. They're contrasting, they're a satin finish, and then we've got these beautiful other layers and textures, and it just gives the boat a very luxe feel. Here I am still in the aft area of the saloon, and I don't know, it might have gone unnoticed, but there's a staircase here. And those stairs will take us down to the master stateroom, which is private and separate from the other accommodation. Our other three cabins lie forward of the helm. But let's go downstairs and have a look at this master stateroom. Okay, so here we are down in the master stateroom. As you can see, it's a full beam master with, again, these beautiful big windows right at water level. So you actually feel like you are on the water and floating on the water. You can hear it's very quiet down here. It's very private. A really nice secluded area to get away from the other guests on board. And then, of course, you know, you've got the little dining area over there. It was really nice for a morning cup of coffee, or to come down here with your laptop and just bang out a couple of emails and get some work done, and then go back upstairs and enjoy the day. And of course, there's the ensuite. We've got a walk-in robe on the other side there. A big screen TV, Sonos sound down here, fully air conditioned. What more can you ask for? And here we are up on the flybridge. You'll notice we've got a hardtop flybridge with an opening sunroof and an electric rear awning that comes out over this area, which is fantastic. So if you want the sun, it's retracted, and if you don't, we just bring it out. You've got plenty of seating, dining, again with this leaf table, so you've got plenty of space here. And then of course, forward you've got more lounges, sunbeds, the helm station, and a wet bar that is fully equipped. So the Mahalo has an extensive helm with a comprehensive Simrad electronics package. We've got proportional bow and stern thrusters, and the Zenta joystick docking station. So, and that's all duplicated again upstairs on the flybridge helm, and it also has a wing docking station on the aft deck. So, handling and manoeuvrability for the skipper on Mahalo is just phenomenally easy. So Mahalo is boasting upgraded 1200 horsepower MAN engines that are only 550 hours on them, impeccably serviced, and along with her Sleipner fin stabilisers, she offers outstanding offshore performance with maximum passenger comfort. Thanks for taking the time today to view Mahalo. With its extensive and comprehensive inventory, there were just too many options and upgrades to mention today. So for full detail or to arrange a private viewing, call me anytime, Audrey Greenwood, Flagship International.